Stock Charts YouTube channel. So today I'm going to analyze the Nifty 50 stock, Bank Nifty stock. Sorry. So today I'm starting with Bank Nifty, and we are starting with the heavyweight stock HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is a financial institution. You know, HDFC Bank is a heavyweight stock in banking sector in India, and it started around 1999 2000. So about its history, 2000 1999 में स्टार्ट हुआ था and it is currently like you can say till 2008 its peak is around mm, let me mark the peak. 2008 में इसकी peak थी 182 rupees 20 पैसा. After that you can say around 2014 its peak is approximately 362, and right now it is highest is 1724, but today it is running at 1529. So let me mark its support and resistance. Highest is 1724, second highest is 1643, third highest is 1582, fourth highest is 1465. So it is not highest, like it is the major support you can say, and below than that is 1344. So, and any trend line I am able to see? Yes, Mitra. There is a trend line, this one, by which the stock is moving upward, and I hope that it will go more upward. And there is one more trend line. If you are able to see, this trend line is, it is not wrong if I mark this trend line. So this is about in a monthly time frame. Let me go into the weekly time frame. You know, my analysis move from higher time frames to lower time frame. So in a monthly one, in a weekly one, uh, this one is for specific, and we can say that this, this, and now might be this, but we have to see it. So no specific trend line and no support and resistance specifically. Go into the daily time frame. Hmm. In a daily one, also no specific thing. Let me go into the hourly, because from higher time frames to lower time frame, if any chart pattern, support, resistance, trend line will come into picture, we are able to find. So it is in a range, guys. Actually, range is actually this one. This one till this one. Fine. So when this range will break, the heavy movement is there, and this range is running from 5th of January, and HDFC result came 14 January. So today is the downside movement, but if, see, if the downside movement continues, and this, there are two pattern. One is W shaped pattern for upside, and M shaped pattern in chart for bearish one actually. So see, this is how W shape pattern and this is how M shape pattern is working. So M shape pattern, this going down, and W shape pattern, this going up. So here it is if this works, we need to see. So W shape or M shape in hourly chart pattern, you need to figure it out by yourself, because what I feel is both patterns are going on and it is going in a range. So let's wait for some time. I am marking HDFC Bank, so we'll update you like how it performs in the upcoming days. So this is first of the heavyweight stock of Nifty, of Bank Nifty, which we have done analysis. And previously analyzed chart which I have already analyzed last week, which are going on, is symmetrical triangle. Let me show you the symmetrical triangle charts, how they perform, so you will able to know whether actually those things are working or not. This is how your learning will improve also. So if I can say right now I have marked like that, if I can say I will mark like that, no problem in that, because see, pattern changes every day, but it try to give us a more view, more clearer picture day by day. So this movement is still going on in the range in between 796 to 716. So Dani Port is still in symmetrical triangle. Bharti Airtel, few days back I told you, it is in a cup and handle pattern. Guys, this is how support resistance is working. So though it is downward, let's see if the movement come. Movement is huge movement upside. HDFC Life, guys, टच किया है इसने अपर साइड रेजिस्टेंस को, बट डायनामिक रेजिस्टेंस को टच करने के बाद अभी डाउन साइड है, बिकॉज आज निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी फॉलिंग साइड पे था. एंड आईटीसी, सो गाइस क्या बोलोगे इसे, ये मूवमेंट अपसाइड है, डाउन साइड है, या रेंज में चल रहा है? सो अगर मैं इसे ऐसे डिफाइन कर दूं तो आप कहोगे कि आप डेली मूवमेंट कर देते हो. यस, वो रेंज मूव होता है, and day by day it keeps on moving. This is also the price action, but still the lower trend line is still working, like you can say dynamic support. So देखते हैं कल how it performs. अपसाइड तो 225 क्रॉस करेगा या टच करेगा, डाउन साइड इज 217. एंड लेट मी सी श्री सीमेंट, डाउनफॉल अच्छा था आज, 389 रुपीज़ का था. किसी ने शॉर्ट किया होता तो माइट बी अ गुड प्रॉफिट ऑन अ सेल साइड, बट इन अ रेंज गाइस. हमारा रेंज नहीं टूट रहा है, इट इज़ इन द स्टिल इन द सेम रेंज, सेम सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल सीधे आएगा अपसाइड क्रॉस करके निकल जाएगा. एंड मूवमेंट इज ऑलवेज इन अ जिगजैग मूव, देन द स्टॉक मूव्स अपसाइड. टाटा मोटर्स, दो इसमें कोई सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल नहीं है, बट स्टिल ये हमारी वॉच लिस्ट में है, बट ये डायनामिक सपोर्ट को टच कर रहा है और ऊपर ही जा रहा है. अल्ट्रा सीमेंट, गाइस कल ब्रेक किया था, आज फिर रेंज में आ गया. तो देन आई कैन से इफ आई ड्रॉ लाइक दैट, it is not fine. If I draw like that, let it keeps like that. Let's see how it will perform tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But guys ये देखिए, ये टच इसी डायनामिक सपोर्ट को ही किया है. So and this is one of my viewers chart where we see hanging man, and let me see it in a weekly time frame, because time frame थोड़ा बड़ा कर देंगे तो might be some good chances are there. So if I say, so it is not bad if I can say this is working like that more specifically. So let's see, इसमें भी symmetrical triangle ही है एक हिसाब से. So this is about the nifty stocks which we are analyzing. HDFC Bank we analyzed today, but HDFC Bank as per movement is upside, but let's see whether it's a W shape, it's a M shaped in a hourly time frame, guys. W shape, M shape, what you can consider, guys. You should also let me know, because if you are watching the videos, is it a W shape, is it a M shape pattern, is it in a range bound pattern? You need to figure it out. So this is about my today's analysis. I do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, one disclaimer is like I am not a SEBI registered person, so these views and the videos which I posted in my channel is for educational purpose only. I request you all that do watch those videos also. Do let me know your thoughts, like whether my analysis is good, bad, or I need to improve, or and whether it will be beneficial for you or not. So because this is the way by which I personally feel and I find from YouTube that we are able to learn, and the stock community and the trader community will able to learn. And once the learning increase, definitely the profit will be coming to all of us. I wish, I hope that all people will be financially good and financially sound, so they will able to live a good life. So that what I am praying to God also, and I wish great success to you guys also if you are going to trade, because stock market is not easy. It is a daily activity, and still making up our mind for a daily activity where where logics fail and new logics come into picture. That's why people say market जो है वो daily सिखाता है, और इसीलिए कई जो कहावतें हैं जैसे भाव भगवान छे और मार्केट डेली सिखाता है, तो सही में वो सिखाता है. सो डू योर लर्निंग, keep watching my channel, keep exploring other channels also, keep exploring more learning in stock market in YouTube. Definitely it will help you in your growth. Have a nice day, guys.